trek like 3 kilometers from Mandi. It's beautiful. The sun is rising. The fog droplets are dropping like it's raining, but it's not. It's very cold.
You wanna say something, Akash?
हाँ, टच मत करिए उनको। अगर तूने टच कर लिया ना